This is Brittany with WTI, and this is the pillowcase that is going to set your bed or your couch apart from all of the others. Okay, so first of all, it is faux leather, it is vegan leather, and it has the crocodile print on it, which I absolutely love because it just makes it look so classy, but also with a little bit of a rustic vibe if that's what you're going for. It's one of those types of animal print that you can use in so many different ways. So I absolutely love it, especially the color is the perfect kind of caramely color that I was looking for. It's not just straight brown, and it's also not tan, even though the description calls it tan. It's like a nice caramel, which is fantastic. I also love how well hidden the zipper is, so it doesn't get caught on anything. It's never hanging out. It is fairly seamless right there, and it just really is such a great statement piece in your bedroom or your living room, wherever you want it. And that's my point of view.